Good morning and welcome to my vlog. It's all about electric cars, electric bikes, test drives, modifications, all that jazz. Today we're going to be modifying my own 2022 Model 3 Performance. As you can see, it's stock so far. My last Tesla Model 3 had a coilover kit from Mountain Pass Performance. That was the comfort coilover kit. So I'll be able to compare that with this car that will now have the Road Track Öhlins kit. The friendly people at Rennsport Sweden are going to help me install it, and they are extremely good and experienced with performance parts in general, but suspension type matters in particular. So let's go in and see what we can do with this. Of course, I'll show you an after shot when we're done. Right, as you can see, crisp and clear. This is not your average oily, greasy workshop at Rennsport. They're really high end, and I can't wait to see what they do with the car here. Really exciting. I'll show you some parts here on the floor, and also the Mountain Pass Performance adjustables, so that we can get the angles right when setting the car up after having mounted the coilover kit. So the Öhlins coilovers are installed up front. As you can see, the yellow spring or coil. So I just wanted to show you also these rear camber adjustables. So they are from Mountain Pass Performance. As you can see, they're their signature blue anodized look, and yeah, to adjust the rear camber when lowering the car. Hello everyone, this is the day after, Friday, back at Rennsport. The car now has the Öhlins Road Track kit installed. As you can see, the ride is a lot lower. I used to be able to fit my whole fist in between the tire and the wheel arch, not so much anymore. This is just slightly lower than what Öhlins has as the recommended ride height. Of course, you can drop it a whole lot more if you want that. I want it to look great, but I also want to be able to have it as my daily. So I want it to not scrape in every speed bump and, you know, going into every garage and stuff like that. Gonna take the car to the tire shop now to get my signature wheels on, and hopefully that will make a huge difference. Okay, so we're at the tire shop right now. We're getting the wheels sorted. I'm gonna have my Uber turbines on winter wheels, and the stock tires actually fit on my new wheels, which are the signature wheels SV104, and I'm really excited to see if they'll fit. I want a flush look, but I don't want them to poke. I've been debating a lot. Jamie at Signature Wheels has really helped me out. Alright, so I'm gonna try to be quick. Unfortunately, it's raining like crazy here, but I love how this turned out. Look at this. So these wheels, I think, go very well. It's not black on black. They're actually a little bit more, they're tinted black, so I would say they look more like a gray metallic sort of a look. This is exactly the fitment that I wanted. Thank you so much. Shout out to Jamie at SV Racing. Love how this all turned out. I hope you like the look as well. Looking forward to getting some comments from you guys. And if you like what you see, remember, test drives, showrooms, modifications. It's all about EVs. Subscribe. Hit your like button. See you soon. Thank you so much for today.